Let's go to Premiere Pro to put this at the beginning of our video. Minimize After Effects, click on File, Adobe Dynamic Link, and then click on Import After Effects Composition. Click on the Desktop folder, and then scroll down to the Space Station Showdown folder. Click on the arrow, and then click on title.aep. It's connecting to the Dynamic Link server. Click on Title in the composition area, and then click OK. It didn't show up on the timeline, but it did show up in the project bin. Let's drag it into our timeline. Now watch what happens up here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a see-through background with white lettering. Let's keep watching. Now that's really convenient that it's see-through background so it can go over a scene. And that makes me think maybe we don't need the title at the beginning with black under it. What if I were to move this over here like this and start the video here? Let's see what that looks like. I do like it, but some of the letters are hard to read. The white on a light background doesn't give good contrast. So I'm going to push it back to where it was, and I'm going to add in a black matte under this area to give it a black background. Now the good thing about Premiere Pro is it will automatically show a black background when we export this. But I can't see it right now in the preview window, and I want to see it. So I'm going to make a color matte. I'm going to show you how to do it. At the bottom of the project bin, there's a new item icon. If you can't see it, click on the column here to drag it to the right. If it's too far over to the left, you won't see that icon. So drag this over to the right so you can see that icon. Let's click on it and then click on Color Matte. Click OK. Find a color you want. Right now it's black. Click OK. And I'm going to write the word black so I know that it's a black matte. Click OK. It popped up over here in my bin. I'm going to click it and drag it to the top. Then I'm going to drag it to the left. Let me open this up more so you can see. And then I'm going to drag it over and down. The reason why I didn't drag it here in the first place is it would overwrite this information here. So I brought it into the timeline on the top. So now I can see the title better. Let me drag this down, and I notice that the title is a little off center. So let's go back to Adobe After Effects and select the title and go to the Align module and click Align Horizontal and click Align Vertical. Command S to save and then minimize After Effects. And let's see if it changed it. Wait a second for it to work its magic. It's creating a link to the new file that's been saved. Sometimes it doesn't update. So what you can do is close Premiere Pro and save it, press save, and then reopen the project. And there it is. Let's watch it. That's interesting. I like that we see it at the beginning, it animates, and then I like that it's over the scene, but I would like to fade the scene in. What I'm going to do is drag the title up one and bring the black matte up here and over. So it's covering the sequences here. Right click on the right side of the black matte and apply default transitions. And then drag this to the left until the cross dissolve gets to the beginning of that area. Now let's watch it. You could even make the dissolve a little bit longer if we drag it to the right and then take the cross dissolve and drag it to the left. Let's watch it again. Very cool. Let's have the title go for about this long, and then let's cut it right here and then delete the rest of it. And we can put a default transition on that one so the title fades away. Let's watch the final version.